At kung bago lang kayo sa channel na to, huwag niyong kalimutang i-subscribe at i-like ang mga videos at i-ring ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga video tutorials na ina-upload ko sa aking channel. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss how to add and integers. So, paano nga ba natin ginagawa yung addition of integers? So, when we say integers, ito yung mga numbers na meron ng signs like positive and negative. So, paano nga ba natin ina-add yung mga integers? So, in adding integers, there are rules. Meron tayong dalawang rules kung paano mag-a-add ng integers. So, the first one is, if you are adding an integers with the same sign. So, paano natin gagawin yun? So, adding similar integers or yung integers na magkapareho ng sign, we just add the numbers and keep the sign of the addends. So, ibig sabihin, i-add lang natin yung numbers at kakopyahin natin yung sign ng mga numbers. And then, for the second rule, kapag naman magkaiba yung sign or different sign. So, kapag magkaiba yung sign, we subtract the numbers and copy the sign of the greater number. Or ibig sabihin, isa-subtract natin yung dalawang number at kukunin natin yung sign ng mas mataas na number. So, para i-apply natin yung rule, ito yung mga example. So, let's say we have, let's say 17 plus 12. So, 17 plus 12, as you can see, this is an example of a positive number. Pag walang nakalagay na sign, that means positive yung dalawang number. So, since they are all positive, ibig sabihin parehas sila ng sign. So, what are we going to do is just add the numbers and copy the sign. So, adding 17 and 12, we will have 29. So, 29, since parehas positive yung given natin, so that means positive din yung sagot. And that is positive 29. Next, so let's say we have negative 14 plus negative 11. Again, these integers are common in sign. They are both negative. So, negative 14 and negative 11. So, what are we going to do is to just add the numbers and copy the sign. So, adding the numbers, we have 14 plus 11. That is 25. And the sign of both integers is negative. So, that means the answer is negative 25. And for the third example, so let's say we have negative 28 plus negative 47. So since parehas silang negative, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin. I-add natin yung numbers and then we're going to copy the sign of the numbers. So 28 plus 47 is 75. And kung titignan natin, yung sign nila is negative parehas, so that means the answer is negative 75. So for the fourth example, let's say we have 108 plus 17. So since parehas silang positive, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin. I-add lang natin yung number and then we're going to copy the sign which is positive. So 108 plus 17 is 125. Since positive yung ating mga addends, ibig sabihin, positive din yung sagot. And that is how you add integers with the same sign. Paano naman kapag magkaiba yung sign? So let's say we have 22 plus negative 7. So as you can see, magkaiba sila ng sign. Isang positive at isang negative. So according to the rule of adding integers with different sign, we need to subtract the numbers and copy the sign of the greater number. So paano natin gagawin yung rule na yon? So since magkaiba sila, that means isa-subtract natin yung 25 at 7. So 25 minus 7 is, 22 minus 7 is 15. And kukunin natin yung sign ng mataas na number. Since 22 yung mataas na number at ang sign niya is positive, so that means positive yung magiging sagot. And that is positive 50. So another example is, let's say we have negative 15 plus 8. So, negative 15 plus 8. So, magkaiba sila ng sign, isang negative at isang positive. So, same rule na gagamitin natin, isusubtract lang natin yung numbers. So, 15 minus 8, that is 7. So, for the final answer, kukunin natin yung sign ng mas mataas na number. At 15 at 8, ang mas mataas na number is 15. So, kukunin natin yung sign ng 15. And the sign of 15 is negative. So, therefore, the answer is negative 7. Next, we have, let's say, 28 plus negative 32. So, 28 plus negative 32, as you can see, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, isang positive at isang negative. So, same rule na gagamitin natin, isusubtract muna natin yung numbers. So, 28 and 32, isubtract natin. So, 32 minus 28 is 4. Tapos, kukunin natin yung sign ng mas mataas na number, which is 32. So, ang sign niya is negative. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot is negative 4. So, and that is how you add integers using the rules. After knowing the concept of addition, we can now proceed with subtraction of integers. So, paano naman natin ginagawa yung subtraction of integers? So, in subtracting integers, the rule is, first is to copy the minuend, and then change subtraction into addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ang una natin gagawin is kukopihin lang natin yung minuend, and then papalitan natin yung subtraction, gagawin natin addition, and papalitan natin ang sign ng subtrahend. So, in a subtraction sentence, kailangan ma-identify natin kung ano yung minuend at kung ano yung subtrahend. So, in a subtraction sentence, ganito po yung itsura niya. So, minuend minus subtrahend is equal to the difference or yung sagot kapag nag-subtract tayo. So, kailangan ma-determine natin kung ano ba yung minuend at kung ano ba yung subtrahend sa isang subtraction sentence. So, let us apply the rule or the concept in subtracting integers. So, let's say we have 11 minus 5. So, kung makikita natin, madali lang siyang natin ma-identify kung siya ay, kung ano yung magiging sagot. So, 11 minus 5 is 6. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. But, applying the rules or the concept in integers, so, ipapakita natin kung ano ba yung nangyayari, bakit ba siya naging 6. So, in our rule, the first thing you will do is to copy the minuend. So, in this given, the minuend is 11. So, we just copy the minuend, 11. And then, the next thing is to change subtraction into addition. Or, yung subtraction natin, gagawin nating addition. So, subtraction, gagawin nating addition. And then, we will change the sign of the subtrahend, positive 5, so siya ay magiging negative 5. So, meron na tayong bagong addition sentence. So, that is 11 plus negative 5. Then, applying the rules in adding dissimilar sign or different sign integers. So, isa-subtract lang natin. 11 plus negative 5 is 6. Since mas mataas yung 11, kukunin natin yung positive. So, the next example is, let's say we have negative 12 minus negative 5. So, kapag ganyan naman yung given, so, same process, copy the minuend, then change subtraction into addition, and change the sign of the subtrahend. So, copy the minuend, that is negative 12, then subtraction, magiging addition, and negative 5, papalitan natin ang sign, gagawin nating positive 5. Then, proceed to addition. So, negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. Next, example. Number 3. So, let's say we have 8 minus negative 14. So, what are we going to do is, again, copy the minuend, and then, subtraction, gagawin nating addition. And negative 14, we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend, and this is the subtrahend. So that will become positive 14. And then proceed to addition. 8 plus 14 is 22. Next. So let's say we have negative 12 minus 14. So how about this given? So same procedure. Copy the minuend, negative 12. Then change subtraction into addition. And positive 14, change the sign, it will become negative 14. Then proceed to addition. So same sign, that will be negative 26. So for the last example, so let's say we have 15 minus negative 18. So again, same procedure, copy the minuend, 15, change subtraction into addition, and change the sign of the subtrahend. So negative 18 magiging positive 18. Then proceed to addition, 15 plus 18 is positive 33. So that is how you subtract integers. So again, your knowledge in adding integers will be used in subtracting integers.